One lobster tail contains approximately 100 to 150 calories, depending on the size, and this recipe serves 4 people. Here is a recipe for lobster bisque. Ingredients: 2 to 3 lobster tails, chopped into small pieces. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 onion, chopped. 1 carrot, chopped. 1 celery stalk, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. 1/2 cup white wine. 4 cups chicken or seafood broth. 1 cup heavy cream. 2 tablespoons flour. 2 tablespoons butter. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the chopped lobster and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes, until the meat is lightly browned. Remove the lobster from the pot and set aside. Add the onion, carrot, celery, and garlic to the pot and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes, until the vegetables are softened. Add the tomato paste and white wine to the pot and stir until well combined. Pour in the chicken or seafood broth and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, until the vegetables are fully cooked. In a separate pan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and stir constantly for 1 to 2 minutes, until the mixture forms a roux. Slowly pour the roux into the pot with the soup, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Add the heavy cream to the pot and stir until well combined. Add the cooked lobster back into the pot and simmer for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, until the soup is hot and the lobster is fully cooked. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Lobster bisque is a decadent and flavorful soup that is perfect for special occasions or dinner parties. It is important to note that this recipe contains heavy cream and butter, which can be high in calories and fat. 1 serving of lobster bisque contains approximately 300 to 400 calories, depending on the size of the serving. It is best enjoyed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Another way to enjoy lobster is in a lobster roll. Here is a recipe for a classic New England-style lobster roll. Ingredients: